Namaste children. Today we are going to see speech. Okay, that is direct speech and indirect speech. What is direct speech? In direct speech, we are using the speaker's word as it is. We won't change any word. What the speaker said, we will use the word as it is. Okay, that is direct speech. For example, my friend said to me, I am in good health now. Okay, here I refers to the speaker. My friend is the speaker here. So this is the I refers to the speaker. Okay, we are using the same word what the speaker said. So that is direct speech. Then indirect speech, we reported the speaker's words. That is indirect speech. So it's called a reported speech also. So here see the answer for this question. My friend told me that he was in good health then. Okay, so I reported what the speaker said. So that is indirect speech. In Tamil, children, you have learned already. That is நேர்கூற்று அயர்கூற்று. That only direct and indirect. Okay, இந்த கொஸ்டினை பாருங்க. என் ஃப்ரெண்டு சொன்னால் நான் நல்லா இருக்கேன், நல்ல உடல் நலத்தோடு இருக்கேன்னு. அப்போ அந்த நான் யாரை குறிக்குது? என் ஃப்ரெண்டை தான் குறிக்குது. இட்ஸ் நாட் மீ. ஓகே, ஸோ அப்படியே அவன் சொன்னதை நான் அப்படியே சொல்கிறேன். தமிழில் சொல்லிப்பாரு, என் ஃப்ரெண்டு சொன்னால் நான் நல்லா இருக்கேன்னு. அப்போ அந்த நான் யாரை குறிக்குது? என் ஃப்ரெண்டை தான் குறிக்குது. ஓகே, இங்கே பாரு, இந்த சென்டென்ஸில் பாரு, மை ஃப்ரெண்ட் டோல்ட் மீ தட் ஹி வாஸ் இன் குட் ஹெல்த். என் ஃப்ரெண்டு சொன்னால் அவன் நல்லா இருக்கானா. அப்போ அந்த அவன் யாரை குறிக்குது? அது என் ஃப்ரெண்டை தான் குறிக்குது. ஸோ அப்போ இது ரிப்போர்ட்டட். ஓகே, ஸோ யூ ஷுட் நோ த டிஃபரன்ஸ் பிட்வீன் த போத். ஓகே சில்ட்ரன், எஸ். நவ் to change direct to indirect, we should know some points. That is first one is tense change. Okay, children listen. In grammar speech alone we will change the whole tense. Present means past. Okay, we won't change tense in any other part. Okay, voice, if, class, conditional class, we won't change tense there. We will change in speech only. Okay, so present change into past, present continuous change into past continuous, present perfect past perfect, present perfect continuous past perfect continuous, past continuous past perfect continuous, past perfect change into past perfect. Okay, so this tense change is very important. Okay, we should know. Then what? Auxiliary verbs. Okay, is, are, am, was, were, shall, will, should, would, can change into could, may, might, must, have to, has to, ought to change into had to. Okay children, so we should know how to change the auxiliary direct to indirect. Okay, questions will be asked what? Maybe change into direct, sometimes change into indirect also. They will give direct and ask indirect, then they give indirect, they will ask direct. Okay, both you should practice. Next, pronoun change. Okay, what is pronoun children? A pronoun is a word instead of noun. What we are using pronoun. Okay, ஒரு பேருக்கு பதிலாக நான் அவன், இவன், அவர்கள், இவர்கள், நீ, நான் அப்படின்னு சொல்லும்போது அது ப்ரோனோனாக மாறுது. ஓகே, அது, இது. Okay, see here, pronoun change, we want to change the pronoun according to the sentence. Okay, sentence க்கு ஏத்தாப்புல அது ஹீயை குறிக்குதா, ஷீயை குறிக்குதா, வியா, தேயா அப்படின்னு பார்த்து நம்ம மாற்றணும். Okay children, here this is the pronoun change. Okay, you should note these things. Then adverb change. This adverb change you should memorize. Okay, now change into then. Here, there, hereafter, thereafter, this, that, these, those, ago, before, thus, so, today, that day, tonight, that night, last night, the previous night, the last night, last month, last week. Okay, all the three are same. Yesterday, the day before, the previous day, tomorrow, the next day, the following day. Okay, the last week, last month, last night, last month I already told. Then hither, thither, hence, thence. Okay, these things you should memorize. Okay children, adverb change. Then reported verb and conjunction. Okay, reported verb. Okay, reported verb means for it will change according to the sentence. If it is statement means we should change the reported verb and conjunction. For that separate reported verb is there and conjunction. Okay, and interrogative means we want to change an imperative and exclamative. There are already 4 kinds of sentence, we know that. Okay, for today we are going to see statement only. Yes. Okay, what is statement children? A statement is a affirmative sentence. Okay, that's assertive. Then what we are, maybe negative or positive. Or sadharana vakyam. It won't give any command, order and request. Okay, yes. Here in direct statement reporting verbs said to, say to, says to. These all change to like this. Okay, said to, told, say to, tell, says to, tells. Okay, these are reporting verb change. Then conjunction is that. For statement, conjunction is that children. Okay, then point to change. Okay, if we want to change direct to indirect, means what are the points, how many points we should know. First we should know how to change the reporting verb. Then we should remove comma quotation and want to add conjunction. Then subject change, main verb change, adverb change. These 6 points are very important. Okay, see this example, then you can understand easily. Okay, this example question. Kumar said to Mohan, I am going to meet you now. Okay, Kumar is a speaker. Okay, solvavar, ketpavar. Okay, Kumar is a speaker. Said to is the reporting verb. Mohan is the listener. Okay, then we want to remove this comma quotation. Within the comma quotation we should know, okay, what kind of sentence they are using. Okay, we should know. If we want to know what kind of sentence it is, means we should read within the comma quotation. Okay, after comma quotation we should use capital letter. Then we want to write all the part. Then we want to close quotation, then full stop. Why I am saying this means they will ask this for punctuation. Sometimes it may be asked for punctuation question. Okay, direct. Here this is Kumar is a listener. Said to is a reporting verb. Then Mohan is the Kumar is a speaker. Said to is the reporting verb. Mohan is the listener. Okay, then we should remove comma quotation. Then this is the subject. Okay, after comma quotation this is the sentence. You should think this is a separate kind of sentence. Likewise, then subject verb, you should underline subject verb. Then remaining part. Now Kumar. Okay, Kumar speaker. Said to change into told. Then listener is there, so we want to write the listener, Mohan. If sometimes there may be no listener, means no problem. Then want to remove comma quotation, instead of we want to add conjunction that. Second point. First point over, told. Second point that. Then subject change. Subject I change into he. Why? I refers to the speaker Kumar. Okay, so we should use he. Okay, Kumar is a male, so we change into what pronoun he. Okay, then I am going, present continuous change into past continuous. Present change into past, you should keep in your mind. Okay, so I am going, was going. To meet you, you refers to Mohan, so him. Now change into then, adverb change. Okay children, so these 6 points, sometimes there may be no listener, sometimes there may be no adverb. Okay, but points are the same. We should change all the thing. Okay, if there is no listener means leave the point, then there is no adverb means leave the point, but remaining thing we want to change. For example, Okay, I am giving some question here. He said I like ice cream. First question. He said that. Here no listener. Okay, he said that. Comma quotation change into that. We want to remove comma quotation and add conjunction that. I refers to he only, so he. Like present tense, we change into past tense, liked. Then ice cream, full stop. Remove comma quotation, full stop. Okay, present tense. My mother said to me, I have prepared laddu just now. Okay, my mother is a speaker, said to change into told, then me. Add conjunction that. I refers to my mother, so she. Okay. Have prepared, present perfect change into past perfect, had prepared, laddu just then. Okay children? Yes. Then the teacher said to the students, I completed my paper correction. Okay, the teacher said to the students, the teacher told the students that. I refers to the teacher. It may be the teacher may be he or she. So I used she. She completed past tense change into past perfect, had completed. My refers to the teacher, her. Okay, pronoun change. Okay, my refers to the teacher, then her, paper correction. Okay children, sometimes without my they give means just we can write. The teacher said to the students, I completed paper correction. Just or without her also we can write. Okay, so if they give pronoun like this means we should change that. We should think. Okay, it refers to the speaker or the listener. Then we want to write. Okay, answer. Next, our principal said to me, you have to work hard. Okay, our principal told me that. You refers to me, so I. Okay children, you refers to the listener, not the speaker. Okay, so I had to work hard. Have present tense change into had past tense. Okay, next, Sahana said I was preparing for my projects. Can you say the answer now for this question? Yes. Sahana said to change into told. We want to remove comma quotation, write that. Sahana told that. I refers to Sahana only, so she was preparing. Past continuous change into past perfect continuous. So what is the past perfect of was preparing? Had been. Okay, had been preparing, past perfect continuous. Okay, preparing for. My refers to Sahana, her project, speaker only, her. Full stop. Okay children? Okay? Yes. Then Ram said I'll come tomorrow. Okay, now who will answer this question? Ram. Try to answer children. Ram told that. Okay, told that. We can use said also. Okay, without listener means we can use directly said. Okay, Ram told that. I refers to Ram. Okay, he said that he will change into would. He would come. Tomorrow change into the day after. Okay children? Yes. Want to review comma quotation. Did you understand? Yes. Next question. Can you see the next question? Who can answer this question? Yes. You say in your mind. First, he said to me, I completed my work last week. I completed my work last week. Yes. Shall we write the answer? Yes. He said to change it to told me that remove command quotation, so we add that I refers to he. Okay, he completed, past tense, change it to past perfect, had completed. He had completed. My refers to he. Okay, so his work. Okay children, his work last week means the week before, full stop. Okay children, so you should know the point. Okay, what are that? The tomorrow, the last week means we should change. Then the pronoun. Okay, we should think whether it is mention the speaker or the listener. Okay, according to that we want to change the pronoun. Then tense change. So 6 points. What are the 6 points? Once again shall we see? Yes, first one, reporting verb change. Then we want to remove comma quotation. Instead of that we add that for statement. Okay, that is a conjunction. Okay, next third point, subject change, then main verb change, then pronoun change, then adverb change. Okay children, so we have practiced these questions. Okay children, then in statement some exceptions are there. Okay, statement exception. See the first question. Sydney says, I'll come to your house tonight. Okay. If the reporting verb in present tense. Okay. After the speaker, reporting verb will come. If the reporting verb is in present tense, we should not change the tense inside. Okay. In the main sentence. See here, Sydney says that she will come to my house tonight. She, I changed all, subject change should come. Subject change, pronoun change, then adverb. All the things we want to do except the tense change. Okay children? Except the main verb. We should not change the main verb here. Main verb oda tense maatha kudadu. Eppa? Reporting verb present tense இருக்கும் பொழுது. Okay. Second question, Indra says I have seen that film for twice. So reporting verb இங்க என்ன அது present tense, so we should not change the main verb tense. Okay, Indra says, we want to remove comma quotation, that I refers to, okay, Indra, he have seen, has seen. Why? We should not change the reporting verb. Okay, he is there, so we want to use has seen that film for twice. Okay, we want to change like this if the reporting verb in present tense. Next, tense will not be changed in the following places. Okay, universal truth. If universal truth is in the sentence means we should not change the tenses. Okay, the teacher said, comma open quotation, the sun rises in the east. The sun will rise in the east only. Okay, so then the sun rises in the east. We won't write like that. The teacher said that the sun rises in the east. Okay, universal truth, we should not change the main verb tense. Then proverb also, we should not change the main verb tense. Honesty is the best policy. Honesty is the best policy. The same thing we want to write. But here see, my friend said to me. My friend told me. Said to change it told. I want to remove comma quotation, add that. Okay, honesty is the best policy. Then seasonal. Okay, he said it rains heavily during rainy seasons. He said that it rains heavily during rainy season. Okay, then scientific truth. We should not change the scientific truth. The teacher said ice floats in the water. Teacher said that ice floats in the water. So for these things we should not change the main verb tense. Okay, whether if the reporting verb comes in present tense, present tense இருக்கும் பொழுது reporting verb நம்ம என்ன மாற்றக்கூடாது, உள்ளே இருக்க வெர்பை மாற்றக்கூடாது, மெயின் வெர்பு மாற்றக்கூடாது, அதே டென்ஸ் ஃபார்ம் யூஸ் பண்ணணும். ஓகே, அண்ட் இந்த ரிப்போர்ட்டிங் வேர்ப் மேபி said to, but inside the sentence universal truth, proverb, seasonal and scientific truth comes means we should not change the main verb tense. Remaining all the things we want to change. Okay children, so for this direct and indirect today we have seen statement. Okay, for statement we should note these 6 points. Okay, first we should know who is the speaker, then which is the reporting verb, then who is the listener. Okay, then we want to remove comma quotation, add conjunction, then subject, then verb, pronoun, adverb. Okay children, so these are the 6 points are very important. Then other things which you should note that. Okay, then adverb change you should memorize. Okay children, okay, thank you. I hope you all understand. Next class we will see imperative and interrogative. Daily what are the practice questions we are sending? Please practice children, then only you can write grammar correctly. Okay, thank you children.